What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike, and today we are going to go over a stock that I have just recently started building my position. This stock has pretty much been hammered and has gone down pretty severely. Sorry I haven't been able to post the past few weeks. I have been very busy with my new house, doing some renovations currently as well. All the YouTube stuff will be back and even probably better. We are going to improve this channel very much, and I cannot wait to release the new updates we're going to be doing to this channel. So stay tuned for that coming up. If you guys want to see my new place, some renovations I have done onto my new house, let me know in the comment section and I'd be happy to share some of those details on my next video. But right now we are going to go over the next stock that I think you guys should be adding with me, and of course that stock is none other than Abbott, ticker symbol ABT. Now, I'm going to be very brief as to why I think this stock is very in high demand and you should be buying. Right now, as you all know or may know, there is a huge baby formula shortage, and guess who sells most of those baby foods? If you guessed Abbott, that's right. Abbott does provide most of those baby food formulas. And once they get their factories up and running and kicking, baby formulas will be again stockpiled back on those shelves. The stock is going to go through the roof again. They're pretty much factory on baby food has been shut down because of the pandemic a little bit. So that's why a lot of baby food shortages has arise. And there are these other companies, these small little companies like from Bill Gates are trying to make some fake versions of these baby foods and milk shortages that they're having. But Abbott stock is the stock we want to talk about and is the stock we want to be buying right now while it's dirt cheap. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button. Hit subscribe, it really helps out my channel. Come check out my Patreon page. We still have our members checking us out and doing some work with us. We have been heavily shorting this pathetic market. We are just in a huge bear market right now. And pretty much I would call this a crash, right? I would not really call this a bear market. I would call this a market crash, and it is good. All right, let me tell you why it's good. We want to have market crashes. Why? Because we get to buy all the stocks we truly love for dirt cheap. Do I think right now we reached the bottom? No, I'm sorry to say that. I do not think we have reached the market bottom yet, but we will be getting close to that. I think there's a little bit more left for the bottom coming in, and it is only in our favor to have this bottom coming, this market crash coming. Why? Because we are going to get really good companies, really dirt cheap. And if you are a long-term investor, you are a dividend investor, it is only in your favor, and you should be happy that you are getting these cheap deals, right? Like, you wouldn't go to a supermarket and buy a product at a high price, right? No, you go to the supermarket and you see the item on cheap and you're like, hell yeah, this thing is on sale. So why the heck are you guys afraid and crying and being babies that your stocks that you love and you cherish so much is on sale and you're running away from it? No, you should be happy, rejoicing like, oh my gosh, this stock is on sale, right? Just like that TV that you went on Black Friday and bought on sale. You should be treating your stock just like the Black Friday sale. You have been getting your stupid, worthless TVs that only cost you money, those stupid cars that only go down in value, except during Corona, it's going up in value. You should be going and hunting, buying these on sale stocks like hungry pack of wolves. You should be biting it down, shoving it down your throat like, I want that stock, it's on sale. Yeah, more sale. Heck yeah. Keep it up. Keep those sales coming. Don't be too mad about it. It's all going to go back up eventually. Give it a little bit more time. Don't be worried. If you are a long-term investor, breeze. You shouldn't even be worried. You are getting dividends and reinvesting those dividends because you're a smart investor, and those dividends are going to buy you cheap stocks, and you're going to go right back up, and those dividends are going to increase over time, and you're going to be buying more and more cheap stocks over time regardless. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Let's get right down to the video and let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let us check out what is going on with Abbott Laboratories, ticker symbol ABT. This chart is beautiful. I'm going to tell you, I really love this chart. This stock is getting bullish. It does look like it has pretty much reached its bottom, which was right around here, around 104. Why is this the bottom? Why do I think this bottom is? Because it went up, right? This is the bottom. It's gone up, right? And now it is holding support levels and resistance levels right here. This is your resistance line. Once it does pass this level, you know we are about to shoot to the moon. That's right. Where do I think Abbott is going to go? My target for selling, if you are long-term or short-term trader, is 140. I think this is a beautiful price to sell Abbott. I do think Abbott is worth about $140 and nothing less. I would not sell this stock any less. I do see its future. We do have a few lines you do want to look for, some support and resistance. We got another resistance right here at 122. It is going to be a tough marker to beat for Abbott, but it is possible. And the next one is 130, and then we have our target goal 140, which is going to be my sell price, and I would not sell it anything below 140. This baby formula shortage, food shortage for baby formula, is only in their benefit, and it's going to bring in a lot of revenue for them. And you guys know you are hunting for a lot of these baby foods because you have children that need food, right? You have many children. If you guys don't know what it is to be a parent, don't worry, soon you will, and you'll understand why this baby food shortage formula is extremely crucial to parents, and it is going to make this stock a lot of money. And that is one of the reasons why this stock has been down, right? Their revenue has been down and it has been declining massively. The stock is down pretty much a lot, right? From its highs, let's see how much it has been down right now. We are down about 30%, right? 20 to 30% is where the stock has been destroyed, and it is bullish right now, right? I do see this stock being at a bullish trend right now. You guys don't understand the trend lines, but I will show you right now. We have a box forming, and it has been about 3-4 days. That's why I really like it. That's why I want to buy it. We also have histogram shifting up towards momentum. We also got our buy signal right here on this day. Like I told you, this is the bottom, right? We got our oversold RSI confirmation in the 30s and below, and now we are zooming around 50. This is okay right now. Don't worry about the RSI. Our RSI is not always what you want to look at. You want to look at where the chart is headed, and you want to see where your signals for buys and sells are coming in. Of course, you want to focus on your histogram. And right now, a lot of things are being very bullish, right? And we got my favorite way to know that my stock is about to become bullish. Why? Because we have the 5-day. It's about to trade above the 20-day moving average. When you get the 5-day trading above the 20-day moving average, which is your red line right here, and your 5-day is your blue line, that means this stock is about to become super bullish, and we are going to start shooting upwards. You can see this going to the 120s. We do have the Bollinger Band holding us right at 120. It's saying the stock might get stopped there. Yeah, short term, I do think we are going to be bouncing around between about 110 to 120 for a while. Don't expect it to just break out randomly unless the company reports some crazy great news or insane earnings, which in this crazy bear market, which I think it's a crash, it is hard to expect that. If we go to look at tip ranks, even tip ranks agrees with my price target, $140. This is a 24% upside, and you could be collecting dividends, a lot of dividends, while this stock is going to be bouncing up and down for a while. And we have a nice bullish close just on Friday, and this company is going to continuously grow. You guys know Abbott is not going anywhere. Let's check out some of their quarter earnings, and they have been doing just fine. Revenue has been going up even during this time, right? Everybody's revenue is going to be hard to make, but guess what? Abbott is growing every quarter, right? Let's look at their annual growth. Annual growth, very good. The revenue, look at the revenue. It's been consistently growing. What does that mean? It means it's a very good company. It's not some BS company that's going anywhere, right? Abbott sells a lot of medical supplies to hospitals and many other things. They sell a lot of medications. They sell baby foods. They sell a lot of diabetes medications as well. And they sell a lot of different products, right? A lot of surgical products, right? They do sell a lot of different things. You should look into this company if you want to learn more about it. I just want to make it a brief video of where is a good buy. And right here, right now, around 112, even higher, up to 115, I would be willing to spend buying shares of Abbott. Especially if it goes down, heck yeah, I'm going to keep adding consistently. I love it. The chart is pretty bullish. I love how histogram is shifting up. And I think you should be buying this stock short term or long term. It don't matter. I'm pretty long on this. I'm going to be holding this until it goes back to 140, and I would not sell this for less. It just doesn't make sense to me to undersell Abbott right here, right? Like, this is like pretty much where I want to sell my shares at. 140 is my price target. Get in with me before it is too late, guys. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sells there as well, and a lot of interesting things related to the market that may help you in the hours of investing and being a high-powered return growth. I'm probably going to be doing some real estate on these videos coming up as well. I might probably even go over my own real estate deal. I'm not going to get too detailed on the details as to what I did and what arrangements I made to buying it, but I'm going to go over why you should be a real estate investor as well. So with that said, guys, make sure you do not miss out your chance right now on getting your, actually they're giving 4 free stocks right now in WeBull. All you have to do is just sign up, use their platform, and download the app. And then when you make just a $5 deposit, WeBull will give you an additional 3 more stocks, and you'll have 4 free stocks just from WeBull, ranging from $3 all the way up to $2,000. Why are you not taking advantage of this? Why are you not getting your free stocks from WeBull? If you want another free stock, of course, FirstTrade gives out pretty decent stocks here and there. And of course, if you want another free stock, we also have Robinhood. All those links can be found in the description box below. Make sure to check out my Patreon page. And with that said, guys, have a good night. And until next time, make money with Mike.